welcome back. I Priya Jham today is going to teach us again how to make aloo parathas, which is a famous among all the parathas. I will teach you how to make an aloo paratha with pure ghee, which is really yummy and tasty to eat. So let's start. Heat the pan. Put 1 tablespoon of pure ghee, half a teaspoon of green chilies, 1 teaspoon of chopped coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of chopped onions. Saute them. Add in 2 chopped boiled potatoes. Half a teaspoon of chaat masala. You don't need to put salt if you are using chaat masala, because chaat masala itself has a lot of salt. Mash the potatoes up slightly with the help of the spoon. The mix is ready. Switch off the gas. My dough is kneaded. Make it into 2 portions. Remove the aloo mixture into a bowl. I keep the tawa to become hot on the gas again. I roll out the dough into a small circle. I apply some ghee inside at the base. I'll dust some flour. The reason of dusting some flour on the base so that the paratha doesn't tear or open up. I put the mixture in the center and close the dough. The mixture is well sealed. You will pat the paratha on your palm, and if you are not, you will roll it with the help of a rolling pin. The dry flour as less as possible. Drops of pure ghee. You can thin the paratha with the help of your fingertips. See how well it is cooked. It is not torn from neither the upper nor the lower side. Again we put in some drops of pure ghee. To cook each side of the paratha, it takes at least minimum 2 to 3 minutes with the help of pure ghee. I am using pure ghee. The reason is because now a lot of study says that the oil is not good for hair, and pure ghee is more healthier than oil. So that is why I recommend everybody to use more of pure ghee. Just press a little with the help of a spoon so that it doesn't remain raw from inside. You can see, guys, this is really well cooked from all sides. Put some more ghee on top. The aloo paratha is done. Even the aloo paratha is another paratha which can be eaten any time of the day, whether it is breakfast, lunch or dinner. It's a quick meal. Now I'll remove it on the plate. The paratha is ready. It can be eaten anytime, whether it's breakfast, lunch or dinner. It's a quick meal. It can be served with raita, papad or achar.
Today we are going to do is egg burji. Today we are going to do a Bakri special, that is mutton biryani. Today we are doing is egg curry.